Good day, everyone. I am Neil Kenneth Empano, and on this fine day, I am eager to explore with you the profound concept of compassion. Compassion is more than just a word. It is a guiding principle that can shape how we live, interact, and care for both others and environment. Today, we'll delve into how compassion is beautifully expressed in our nurturing of others and the environment. Moreover, I will elaborate on the pivotal role that communal discernment plays in shaping a more compassionate PU and, by extension, a more compassionate world. By the end of this discussion, I hope we all feel inspired to embrace and practice compassion in our daily lives. Let us start by understanding what compassion truly means. At its core, compassion is about connecting with other people on a deep emotional level and responding with a genuine desire to help. It's not just a feeling. It's an active response to the suffering of others. Compassion begins with empathy, the ability to understand and share someone else's feelings, which allows us to truly step into their shoes. However, compassion goes a step further. It's empathy and in action. When we feel compassion, we're not simply aware of someone else's pain. We're motivated to take meaningful action to alleviate the pain. Compassion drives us to provide support, offer comfort, and contribute to creating a better world for those around us. It's about proactive in our care for others, ensuring that our empathy to translate into real tangible actions that make a difference. Compassion takes many forms, particularly in our case for others and the environment. When we feel approached with others with compassion, we acknowledge their worth, treating them with dignity and respect. This recognition of others' inherent value can manifest in various ways, from simple acts of kindness, like lending an ear to someone in need, to more substantial efforts, such as standing up for those who are marginalized or vulnerable. Compassion is about being attentive, empathetic, and taking deliberate action to address the needs of others, ensuring that no one feels alone or unsupported in their struggles. Just as we show compassion towards others, we must extend the same compassion to our environment. Our planet is not just a backdrop to our lives. It is the shared of all life, and it's vital that we acknowledge our interconnectedness with the natural world to be responsible stewards of the environment. Practicing compassion towards our environment means taking concrete actions to protect it, such as reducing waste, conserving resources, and supporting initiatives that preserve natural habitats. This could involve simple daily practices like recycling, minimizing our carbon footprint, or supporting organizations that work to protect endangered species and ecosystems. We must recognize that the health of the planet is fundamentally linked to the welfare of all living creatures, including ourselves. When we show compassion for the environment, we are, in essence, of showing compassion for the future generations who will inherit this planet. Furthermore, by embracing compassion in our environmental actions, we also promote a culture of sustainability and respect for all forms of life. This mindset helps us recognize that our actions today have far-reaching consequences, and by taking care of the environment, we ensure that we live a healthier, more vibrant world for those who came after us. Now, let's talk about the pivotal role of communal discernment in nurturing compassion. Communal discernment, it involves community members engaging in reflection, discussion, and decision-making to address complex issues. It revolves around collectively seeking with wisdom and making decisions that uphold shared values and benefit the common good. In a world where individualism often takes center stage, communal discernment reminds us of the power of collective action and shared purpose. To conclude, compassion acts as the bridge connecting empathy and action. It involves acknowledging the suffering of others and feeling compelled to make a positive impact, whether in our personal relationships, our efforts to protect the environment, or our broader community. Through collective discernment, we can work together to build a more compassionate world. Commencing here at PU, let us commit to cultivating compassion in our hearts, our actions, and our communities, recognizing that each step we take forward, compassion contributes to making the world a better place for all. The practice of compassion, together with the communal discernment, can transform not just individuals, but entire communities. When we unite to promote empathy and take compassionate action, we create environments where everyone feels valued, supported, and empowered to make a difference. I firmly believe through efforts, truly make you and the world a more compassionate and caring place for all. I guess that's all I need to say about what compassion is and what is the role of communal discernment. So, to end this video, I would like to thank you for listening. I hope you live today with a sense of compassion. We do continue to strive where compassion is the heart of every action.